Hello, my name's Christy, and today we'll be reviewing the Chi Lava Spin and Curl. So I thought this would be a really cool product to find out if it actually works. So I'm really excited to try it out. So let's get started on the basics about this. It's kind of has an interesting shape. It kind of reminds me of a tulip or a flower on the top. So it's kind of cool looking. Um, there's basically four buttons here. There's the power, then there's some buttons to adjust the heat. So let's get it started. All right, I just turned on the power button. You can see the temperature blinking. I'm gonna turn it up to 410 because my hair is thick. So it looks like it's heating up pretty quick, but we'll give it a few seconds to heat up. But yeah, today we just kind of want to get some beautiful curls and see if it actually will work. Will it suck my hair in? I don't know. So we'll see if it works and doesn't tangle and that if we get beautiful curls. So it's just heated up to 410. So I think we can start trying it out. You can see that one side says this side towards your head. So that side will be going against your head when you put the hair in. And then the other side is where your hair is gonna come out. So let's try it out. So I'm grabbing a small piece of hair. You don't want to put too much, I'm thinking, because otherwise it might clog, so at least from other tutorials I saw. So I'm just gonna put it in and see what happens. There's also arrow buttons here. You can see one is going that way and the other one is going this way. So you're going to want to choose the one away from your head if you want curls that curl outward, or you can choose the other arrow if you want curls that curl towards your face. So I'm going to go away from my face because it usually works out more flattering for me. So let's see what happens. So you can see, just sucked my hair in. A little bit nervous. So we'll see, and it stopped, so we'll see what happens. So we'll have to wait a few seconds, and we'll see what happens. So here you go. Looks like a curl. Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's see the next one. So far I'm liking it. No struggles to get my hair out of it. Looks like it looks pretty neat. It's a little bit messy. I should have probably combed it a little bit before putting it in. So you can see that the curls are really coming along. So I finished curling the last curl and then I brushed it out a bit, and this is what the results look like. So I'm satisfied with the look because it's an easy way to get beautiful curls in a quick amount of time. It doesn't require a lot of skill or practice. It's really hard to burn yourself, so I would totally recommend this product. It's very easy to use, and it would be a great look for prom, just going out on the town, just getting beautiful beachy waves. It's just perfect all around. So I would definitely recommend this product. So feel free to try it and check it out and let me know if you think it works great too. And yeah, so feel free to also check out my videos. I'll be doing more hair tutorials and other fun videos, so feel free to check them out. Have a great day. Bye.